Guess what time it is? It's time for my monthly Yoga Club box unboxing and 10 reasons why you are bloating. Let's get started. Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Samantha, an ex-athlete turned fitness trainer, and I upload fitness and health related videos every single week. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Okay, so today I'm so excited to share with you my second Yoga Club box unboxing video. And at the end of this unboxing, I'm going to talk about a topic that I've gotten a lot of questions and comments about a lot over the past few months lately, and that's how to reduce bloating. So ladies, I'm going to go over 10 reasons why you might be bloating, and maybe your reason has a solution. So keep watching all the way through after the unboxing, which will dive into that topic. So all right, so this gorgeous pink box arrived at my door a couple weeks ago, and I've been dying to open it up because if you guys didn't see last month's video, I got my first Yoga Club box then, and this is my second one. And I've been so impressed by the quality of the outfits of the first month that I got, so I cannot wait to see what's inside here. And if you missed last month's unboxing video, Yoga Club is a subscription service for designer activewear, and which you've probably already guessed by now, that is what I love about this box, is because you save 50% off of retail pricing, which is super great for me because I'm in activewear about 7 days a week, whether it's going to my workouts, teaching classes, or just running errands. And I really hate spending money on full price active clothes because it adds up so quick. They're so expensive. So this has been given me a chance to save some money. So I'll tell you how it works. You will go to the Yoga Club box website. I'll put the link in the description below. So click that after you're done watching this video. Don't do it right now, but after. And the first thing you do is you take a fun style quiz with the stylist so they get to know you. And everyone's Yoga Club box is different depending on your style. And that's what I love about it, is that you get different outfits every week, and they also give back to the community. So every box purchase provides a yoga class for a child in need, which is why one of their slogans is one box, one class. And it's really cool knowing that you're giving back to the community. So without further ado, let's check out this box and try on these pieces. So you get 3 pieces in each one, and the brands include Free People, Varley, Glider, and Tiki, all about 50% off of retail value, which is really, really awesome. So here's the box. Here it comes. Talks all about Yoga Club if you haven't seen last month's video. And I'm just gonna dive right in. No messing around right here. Okay. All right, so with these outfits, what I love is that it's a full outfit. It's not like you get like 2 sports bras and a pant, or maybe 2 pants and a sports bra or whatever. You get a full outfit, sports bra, top, and pant, which is awesome. So let's see what this one is first. And this one's from Glider. Oh my goodness, this is so amazing. This is Vibe with Your Tribe. This is awesome, only because I'm like kind of almost shocked reading this, because if you guys don't know, I started a company recently called Mind Body Girls, and we are all about high vibes, having an awesome high vibe tribe. So this is so exciting. I cannot wait to wear this to the office, because at our office we can wear whatever we want. But let me just get to the details. So this top on its own is $48, which is awesome because Yoga Club, I'll get into the details of what it costs later, is about 79 bucks a box. So already the top is almost halfway there, over halfway there. So this is super cute. Can't wait to put that on. We'll put that right there. Next we have, red. I do not have enough red in my closet, that's for sure. This is from Nux No Noise, N-U-X, Nux, I think, I'm not sure. This is super cute. So nice, cute little sports bra, nice T-back. And then with that, awesome red matching leggings. Awesome. This is from Vimia, V-I-M-M-I-A, not sure. But these are actually, and I didn't tell you guys the price of the last one. This one doesn't have a price on it, but I'm guessing not cheap. The quality looks really, really good, feels good. And the sports bra, I'm not sure if this had a price on it either. $53. So even just the top and the sports bra alone is covers way over the price of the subscription box. So this is really cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw these on, show you guys all the details, and then we'll get into the 10 reasons why you are bloating. All right, so I'll be right back. Okay, so here it is, you guys. How cute is this outfit? So with the YogaClub box, you can choose between a monthly or a quarterly membership priced at $79 a month or $89 quarterly. And you can use the link in the description below and you can order the YogaClub box for yourself. And I also have a 20% off discount code, which is Samantha20. So don't forget to use that at checkout. And now I'm going to take you through this outfit. All right, so with this outfit, as you can see, Vad with your trab is the top. What I love about it is that it comes down and cuts out here on the side, so you can see the cute sports bra underneath, and it's very loose and flowy. So what I usually do with these tops actually is I will knot it at the front just like that, because I like my clothes to be a little bit more fitted, but still like loose and cute. So I'll usually just do that. So it's super cute. And then let me take this off now and show you guys underneath. Make sure this is all up. From here, look at this. Check this out. So at first I was kind of worried that the sports bra would be too small because it looked really small in the box, but this material from this company is really stretchy. So it actually stretched out, fits perfect. And as you can see, these leggings are super cute. Gosh, I literally had the biggest dinner last night, by the way. Funny, we're talking about bloating today. So yeah, feeling a little full, but it's okay. So here is the back, a cute tee-back, and these leggings. They're, again, I thought they might be too small, but the material is super stretchy, and I seriously cannot wait to wear this outfit to the studio or the gym. Red is just such a nice, fun color, and every time I've been wearing red dresses lately, and I get so many compliments on them, so they're cute. And what I like about this one as well is that, again, the material is nice and stretchy, so it doesn't flatten your butt. It doesn't give you that pancake ass. It actually forms and sculpts to all your curves really nicely, but it still feels like, you know how it feels, just like nice and secure and tight? Yes, that's what it feels like. So here is the outfit. Again, link is in the description box below. Don't forget to use my code Samantha20. And let's jump back over to my living room chair, because it is like right there, and let's talk all about bloating. Okay, so now that we've gone over all the YogaClub details, which I hope you guys order. If you do, let me know, Instagram me, write in a comment down in the comments below. Let me know if you are currently using YogaClub or if you plan to order. So now we can go into the topic of bloating. Oh my goodness. So ladies, I know we all struggle with it, and here's 10 reasons why and how you can help to stop bloating or prevent it or lessen it throughout your week and month. Okay, so here we go. Let's dive right in. Number one, it's that time of the month. Ladies, I hate to break it to you, but we've been blessed with the hormonal roller coaster throughout the month that can actually cause you to feel bloated. So depending where you're at in your cycle, it can definitely make you feel like you're bloated. And if you don't do any of the things that I mentioned on the list coming after this, it could just be that your hormones are making you feel bloated. And the only thing you can do about it is to have a healthy diet, exercise, stay away from salt, sugar, and simple carbs during the time that you're feeling like you're PMSing. Number two, you eat dairy. Did you guys know that 65% or more of the human population has the reduced ability to digest lactose after infancy? So that means most of us have some sort of allergy towards dairy. So foods like milk, ice cream, they cause gas, belly pain, and bloating because your body can't easily digest the dairy sugar called lactose. And it's not usually serious, but it's just a good idea to avoid milk products. And this isn't the same as an allergy to dairy where your body's immune system treats it like a dangerous invader. Like that would cause problems like hives or vomiting. But either way, I just highly suggest removing all dairy from your diet. Your tummy's going to feel a lot better. Number 3, you drink carbonated beverages. So the bubbles in soda and other drinks like beer, champagne, seltzer, sodas, all that stuff, they're filled with gas. When you drink them, they can fill up your digestive system and you may burp up some of them, but once that gas reaches your intestines, it stays until it passes. And most sodas are full of sugar and they hold on to water, and this is all that makes you feel bloated. Number 4, you eat sugar alcohols or you just have too much sugar in your diet in general. So sugar alcohols are commonly found in sugar-free foods and chewing gums, and these sweeteners are considered to be safe alternatives to sugar, but when the bacteria in your large intestine digests them, this produces gas. Hello, bloating. So try avoiding sugar alcohols like xylitol, sorbitol, and mannitol, and the sugar alcohol erythritol may be better tolerated than others, but it can also cause digestive issues in large doses. Either way, I'd honestly focus on cutting down sugar in all aspects, including fake sugars, added ones, and the ones that I mentioned right here to make your gut happy. Number 5, you eat too fast. So the faster you eat, the more air you swallow, and like bubbly drinks, once the air passes to your intestine, it can make you feel bloated. And it can take about 20 minutes for your stomach to tell your brain that you're full. So if you eat a lot and fast, you're going to make yourself feel bloated and uncomfortable before your brain even gets the message that you're full. So take your time with eating. Number 6, you're eating too much sodium. So your body does need salt, especially if you're working out, you need it. And it takes a lot to overeat on it, but most of us get more than we need. And that makes you hold on to and retain water, which can not only cause like serious problems like high blood pressure, but it's going to make you feel bloated. Number 7, you're not drinking enough water. So unlike sodium, if you're not drinking enough water, you're going to hold on to water. I know that sounds counterintuitive, but this is because your body goes into a fight or flight mode, and that's why it holds on, because it's dehydrated and it doesn't know when it's going to get water next. So there's no magic number of ounces or gallons that you should drink every day, but my rule of thumb is it's how clear is your pee? That's your body telling you, and how often do you go pee? And I know this can be annoying, but I tend to drink a gallon of water almost every day. And not only is my gut happy, but my skin and everything else looks really great too. It's such a miracle liquid, so drink that up. Number 8, you have a food allergy. So if you seem to find that you start bloating after certain meals, start paying attention to what you eat before you feel bloated. And keep in mind that bloating is different from a food baby, okay? Those are two different things. So food and ingredients from like lactose, from dairy or fructose, from fruit, eggs, wheat, and gluten, they're all super common food allergies and intolerances that are really, really common. So once you find what makes you feel bloated or what you think makes you feel bloated, remove it from your diet for at least 7 days and see how you feel. See how often you bloat after that. And another great way to find this out is to just do a food allergy test. There's plenty out there to choose from now. And this will just help you figure out if it's what type of allergy it is, and especially if it's gluten, because gluten is in a lot of foods. Number 9, constipation. I know this isn't a glamorous topic to talk about, but if you're not eating enough fiber, if you're not drinking enough water, if you're eating highly processed foods all the time, if you're eating foods that you're allergic to, if you're eating too much sugar, you might be having a hard time going to the bathroom, or if you're feeling a little irregular from time to time, and this is going to make you feel bloated. Just common sense. Some foods can cause it. And just like I mentioned, without drinking enough water, getting your fiber, all of that, like you should be going to the bathroom at least once a day. And if you're not, you got to figure this out. But exercising, cleaning up your diet, obviously it's all going to help. And I talked a lot about this in my last video about how I cut out sugar and introducing good bacteria into your gut. So if you haven't watched it, if you haven't watched my How to Quit Sugar video, I highly recommend it, because a lot of the information and tips I share in there with probiotics and colon cleanses will definitely help with reducing bloating and clearing up that constipation too. And last but not least, number 10, you're stressed. Do you guys know that the gut is our second brain? Everything that we do affects it. So for example, think about when you're nervous, you tend to want to like go to the bathroom, or when we're scared, we feel like we want to shit our pants. You see what I mean here? Like, it's our second brain. So when you're stressed, it throws off your gut. It's our microbiome, and it causes a domino effect to the rest of the body, and bloating is an indicator of stress. What happens is when you're stressed, the body doesn't see digestion as a priority, and the sympathetic system redirects blood flow away from the intestines to what the body perceives are more important needs. Kind of crazy, right? But it's all connected. So if you're feeling stressed and bloated, it's time for you to take care of yourself and spend some time in the self-love department of maybe incorporating a calming daily routine like meditation, have a good nightly routine where you relax before bed, reading a book, getting a massage, going out on a walk in nature. Anything to help relieve your stress is key here. So moral to this bloating story, bloating is usually a sign that you are not eating a healthy diet, unless it's that time of the month. So start with cleaning up your diet. Try to eat as clean as possible, and just know that bloating isn't something that is normal for us to suffer with every single day. You can help decrease bloating. Some things, it's just naturally you're going to feel bloated, but it's not something that you should suffer with. So just pay attention to what you're eating. And I hope you guys loved this unboxing video and found these top 10 reasons why you are bloating really helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and tell me in the comments below if you like or don't like subscription boxes and why. I'm curious to know. And I'll see you in the next video next week. Love you guys so much. Thanks for watching.